It's in the wee hours on July the 9th, 2026, and the Kestrel fanning crew is at the Chemin Laforge crossing, mile 186.32 Napadogan Sub, just west of Grand Falls, New Brunswick. There is a lot of fluff floating in the air tonight as we wait for CN's Z120, and that is 120 that we can just hear coming, and they should be blowing for a small crossing at mile 187.68 now. That's well timed. Our friendly crew on 120 has a special tag along tonight. The trailing head end unit is Bessemer and Lake Erie 908 in CN livery. 908 is a former St. Louis Southwestern Railway, aka Cotton Belt, SD45T-2. That was part of the Southern Pacific family back then. It was rebuilt in 2000 to SD40T-3 standards. The T in the model name is really what is interesting, as it means the unit has a modified carbody to allow for cool air to flow to the radiator when traveling through tunnels, making these units look quite a bit different than the standard SD40 or 45 units. Possibly the first time one has made it to New Brunswick, and also it has been quite a while since the last time any EMD SD unit has been this far east. And now, they're just one crossing away. Let's listen and enjoy. Nighttime horn and a tunnel motor. That kind of made us jump. Sometimes these crossing lights have a mind of their own. 908 is headed for Moncton as a yard unit, as it is not set up to lead in Canada. Unfortunately, 908 was not in Moncton long, as other issues forced it to be returned west for repairs.
20 CN 3945 east, clear signal, Grand Falls.
With that, our friendly crew should be crossing St. Andre Road in Grand Falls. 120 is running late by a couple hours tonight, and it has been a common theme for a variety of reasons lately. Also, having auto racks on the rear, 22 tonight, has been increasingly more common, from a couple times a week to pretty much every night now. The Dartmouth, Nova Scotia Auto Terminal seems to be real busy these days, and 120 and 121 have been helping out with the overflow. We hope everyone has enjoyed Nighttime Horn and a Tunnel Motor. Thank you for watching. While we were not able to get any photos of 120 tonight, still, check out the post section of the channel to see what all we may have posted there of other trains, both old and new. As this was our last video that was in the queue to be edited, the Kev's Rail fan and crew had better get trackside to collect some more great footage to share with everyone. So until then, please be safe and have a wonderful time. And we'll leave you with the Mile 185 Detector Report. Cheers, everyone.
CN Detector, Napadogan, 185. No alarms. Temperature, 18. C. Total axles, 630. Speed, 39. Détecteur CN, Napadogan, 185. Aucun problème. Température 18 C. Total essieux 6 3 0. Vitesse 3